Hi everyone, my name is Richard and today I am going to walk you through on how to start your journey, how to get that a special course that you've been dreaming of studying on Coursera and for free. If you're hearing Coursera for the first time, Coursera is a platform that allows you to take courses. It could be professional courses, it could be just any kind of courses at a fee. But from this tutorial today, you're going to learn how to take most of these courses at a very, very affordable prices, at a very, very reduced prices. And for a start, you're going to have to start by signing into an account. However, if you do not have an account, don't panic. You can actually start up with your Gmail account and you just have to go in there and then click on sign up and then select your Gmail account. And once you do that, you'll be brought to this page where it says welcome to Coursera and then your name will be attached here. Now, if you're on this part, the next thing you want to do is to click on next as it takes you through the process of completing the entire registration. And then it wants to ask you the purpose for which you are here. Of course, you might want to say, okay, I'd like to maybe switch to a different role, and then you want to click on that, and then you click on next. Then it says, what career are you interested in? Of course, you're going to say, okay, you can say IT support, and then you're going to say, okay, create IT options, whatever. And then you say next. And it says, what's your current job title? And I'm going to say, okay, customer service agent. And then you're going to click on that, and then you say next. And at this point, it says, what's your highest level of education? This is the point where you're going to tell Coursera your current level of education at the moment. You're going to tell it, okay, you have a BSc, you have an associate, you maybe hold a PhD, you have an MSc, or you have a diploma, and all of that. So for me, I'm going to say bachelor's degree, and I'm going to say next. And at this point, it says, are you interested in getting a degree? And then you're going to let them know if you really, really want to get a degree. And then if you're not, can simply just skip this. And then it will take you to the main dashboard. And from your dashboard, this is where you get to select a lot of courses that you might be interested in. And just in case the name of your course is not displayed on this dashboard, what you have to do is you come to this search feature here. You can see after the Coursera icon and then the Explore, we have what they call, what do you want to learn? This way you can actually come to maybe enter the name of the course you want to learn. And for me, I want to say, okay, I want to study IT support fundamentals. So you can say, okay, IT support fundamental or technical support fundamental, and I'm going to click on this and it's going to bring me up to the course page. Now, Coursera is a very, very interesting platform that helps you study these courses at a fee. However, because you are new, it's going to offer you the opportunity to be able to study this course at a very, very free rate. But that is if you're going to finish it before a 7-day free trial. You can see now, it said try for free. Enroll to start your 7-day full access free trial. What it simply means is that as a new member, as a new registrant, or as a new account holder with Coursera, whenever you take up a course, you can actually study that course for the next 7 days at a no charge price. Like you can study it for free. In other words, if this course actually is something that you can finish within 7 days, you can actually finish this course without getting charged. That is what this means. However, if the course is not something that you can actually finish in 7 days, it therefore means that you start getting charged from the seventh day until you are able to finish the course. And Coursera accepts monthly payment depending on what you're studying. So today, I'm also going to let you understand how you can actually study a course at Coursera at a very, very reduced price. I like to say discount because Coursera actually gives you up to 90% discount on every course, but that is through a process known as financial aid. Financial aid actually is more like we have it in the universities, in the colleges, whereby you go to the school board and they let them know that, okay, you want to study at a reduced price or you want to get some discount and all of that. So Coursera also offers similar stuff in the sense that you need to apply for Coursera So, and they let them know that maybe your predicament at the moment, your financial predicament or your financial status cannot allow you to study a course, and and pay in full. So you want to appeal to them to allow you to study this course at a reduced price. Now, if you do this effectively and you do it correctly, Coursera is going to give you a 90% discount. Can you just imagine studying a course that was worth several hundreds of dollars at a 90% discount, which implies that if the course actually costs about $40 to study, you get to pay only about $4 for that course, and that is what you're going to pay until you are done with the course. All right. So now let us understand how this is done. Now, in order to apply for financial aid on Coursera, the first thing you want to do is you want to open the course page. Now, we are taking this technical support fundamentals as an instance. We're going to take this course, and in order to get our financial aid, we're going to come to this course page, and you're going to put your eyes where it says enroll for free. But do not click on this enroll for free. Take your eyes down a bit to the side, and then you're going to find where it wrote financial aid available. This financial aid available simply means that Coursera will be able to allow you to study this course, if you apply for a financial aid. Like I said before, a financial aid is more like a scholarship, it's more like maybe study aid, or more like a study discount that allow you to pay parts of what you're supposed to pay ideally. So if you want to apply for say financial aid, what you can do is you have to click on this link here to begin. However, if you're on your mobile, it might not actually be that easy to locate this. So you want to use maybe a laptop to be able to do this easily. So I'm going to open this now by clicking on, I will right click on it, and then I'm going to say open in a new tab. Okay, in case that is not working, you can just click on it or hold your control and then you press on the link. You see, application can take up to 16 days to be reviewed. This simply means that when you submit your application for financial aid on Coursera, it will take about 16 days for them to be able to review what you're applying for and then be able to grant you access to study the course at a 90% discount. Now, you can also see here that it says when you have been approved maybe when your request has been approved, you will be eligible to receive up to 90% off regular price. What this means is that now that you're applying for financial aid, when it is approved, you will get at least 90% discount to be able to study the course. Now, at this point, now we want to apply for this, and then you can see it is showing us the course that we want to apply for, which is Technical Support Fundamentals, and it is by Google. And at this point, now we can just continue to the application. Now, at this page, this is where you start telling them why you want to apply for financial aid. Now you want to tell them why you want to apply for financial aid, and it is quite simple. It is quite straightforward. So you say, what is your highest level of education? Of course, you're going to tell them you hold some college degree, and then what is your annual income? Because you're looking for financial aid, of course, you want to make it seem, maybe you want to tell them you have to be as honest as possible with this. So you can say, okay, maybe your monthly income or maybe your annual income is so small that you cannot afford this course. So we're going to say, okay, the annual income is, let's say, zero, and then you're going to select the currency, which is of course the United States dollars. So we're going to say, going to scroll down to the way you have the use, and then you can going to select the dollar. Let me see. I can, yeah, now this is the United States dollar. And then what is your what is your employment status? You can say, okay, you're currently employed part-time. Okay, so okay, you are a student. And then why are you applying for financial aid? So now it is asking us, why do you want to apply for financial aid? And this is where you cite your reasons. You have to be as reasonable and as honest as possible in order for them to grant your financial or your request for financial aid. And in order to be fast with this, there's actually something at the bottom here. It says 0 of 150. From my experience, if you are writing your response to the question, why are you applying for financial aid, you have to ensure that your content is a minimum of 150 words. If it is below this, it will not, in fact, you cannot proceed or progress beyond this point. So in order to be efficient with this and save time, I've actually used AI to generate a possible reason for that. And I'm here now. I'm going to copy it. When I copy it, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to paste it. Okay, you can see now I have pasted it, and since now it has checked out that actually this is correct, and then I can go to the next. So you have to make sure that you have a reason why you are applying for financial aid, and there are two more things that you have to answer up front. So let me say okay, next. Okay, now we are here to the next section. This is just a few more questions, and then it's asking us how much can you pay for this course. And then at this point, you want to let them know that you can actually pay nothing. You can pay just zero, because actually the course is about $49. But if you tell them you can pay zero, then they're going to really ensure that you get a good offer. So it says, how will your selected course help you with your goals? Yes, how will a selected course help you with your goals? So this question simply means that, okay, now you are trying to study the technical support fundamentals. Now, how will you studying this course help you with your goals? So you want to write a response here, and take note that at the bottom we still have 150 words mark. So if it is below these 150 words, you are not going to get any kind of, you cannot progress beyond this point. So as usual, I will go to my AI and I'm going to generate this course. So I'm going to just copy it, and I'm going to come in back to my AI, and I'm going to paste it, and I say, okay, how will a selected course help your goals? So of course it's going to give me what I need to answer, and I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to paste that. So I've pasted it, and I can see it's about 150. So now it's asking me terms and conditions, and of course I want to accept this. And then please type the following sentence. This is simply just asking you to agree to the above. You see, it says type the following sentence. Now what is the sentence? The sentence is, I agree to the terms above. So I will say you want to type it as it was displayed there. Agree to the terms above. Once you're done with this, you can see now, you can now check here to confirm that you're actually a human being. And then once you do that, it's going to give you a captcha. Sometimes it won't give you a captcha, so you want to confirm this, and then you say verify. And at this point now, you can now send them to what? To review. Click on this review to show that you're actually done with this application, and then you can see this is just a quick summary of all what you've been writing so far. And at this point now, you want to do what? You want to submit application. Now once you submit this application, of course Coursera is going to receive it, and in a couple days, say like 16, maybe from like 10 to 16 days, you're going to get a response from Coursera telling you that, okay, your application for financial aid was accepted or it was rejected. And if you were rejected, they're going to tell you the reason why it was rejected. And then if you were accepted, they will tell you how much you're going to pay for the course, because of course, what they give to you actually is a discount. From my experience, I've actually received up to 90% discount from Coursera to study any course I so desire. And your best shot is to take this course and make sure that you finish it, and then get your certification, and then you can now go and apply for that job that you desire. You can now go and get that promotion that you desire. And that is how to apply for financial aid on Coursera. So remember that this is a free YouTube channel. You can actually help us by sharing this video to reach other people. Help us to like this video, so as to keep it going to more people that will need the video on how to get Coursera, maybe study discount or financial aid. So I hope to see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe and hit on the subscription, hit on the notification bell to get more updates. Thank you very much. Bye bye.